Simple OOTD. Navy blue button-down shirt, navy blue loose pants, white belt, white sneakers. Ito pong navy blue shirt ko at ang aking navy blue pants ay Shein. Ang aking white belt po ay Celine. And the sneakers I'm wearing today ay ang aking Converse. And of course, my bag is navy blue Balenciaga. Ayan po ang aking simpleng OOTD. Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo. Ang napakasimpleng OOTD. Napaka-komportable po dahil ang pantalon po ay maluwag. And I just pull my hair up. So, ayan po ang complete OOTD. Marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys later. Bye!